Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to find your Telegram app number on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can quickly locate your Telegram number without any hassle. First, make sure you have the Telegram app installed and open on your computer. Telegram Desktop is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it keeps your chats perfectly in sync with your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open the main menu. From the menu, select My Profile. This section contains all your personal details and account settings. Here, you'll see your display name, username, and, most importantly, your mobile number. Your Telegram number is displayed clearly in the mobile section of your profile. This is the phone number you use to register your Telegram account, and it's essential for logging in and verifying your identity. If you ever need to share your number with a contact or use it for account recovery, this is where you'll find it. Let's quickly recap the steps. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Click the menu icon at the top left corner. Select My Profile from the menu. Find your number listed in the mobile section. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can always check which phone number is linked to your Telegram account right from your desktop. This is especially useful if you manage multiple accounts or need to confirm your registration details. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a quick Telegram tip. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.